Riu former DP Rigathi wa Gachagua atiga a Kenya na kimako ni ndeto arikia kurekereria o riri kuratuika President William Ruto ari na mibango na atongoria aria mari thirikari-ini yake na aria mangikorwo no maigite ndugu na Gachagua. Mibango President Ruto kuratuika oyete na ironekana kuhinyiriria atongoria kuma gicigo giki kia Mount Kenya aria mangikorwo na kaurata ona kanini na Gachagua akorwo akiuga unmarked cars ikoretwo ikimurumirira kundu guothe arathie, akiuga nginyagia mucii gwake guku Nairobi na mucii wake wa kuria Mathira. Arauga ni akoretwo akihitukirio intimidation nyingi muno ona thengia wake gukira muno, na akorwo akiuga ati ona ni wega tondu riu ni agite wa kwihitha akorwo aki-inform Kenyans if he ends up being harmed. Akiuga I have thought it is important to share with Kenyans the harassment and intimidation I'm going through and inform them to hold the state responsible. If I am harmed by the state agents, I request the state to leave me alone. You hounded me out of office and you should now allow me to enjoy my peace as a private citizen. Kenyans ni monekana kurakario ni mitugo ino towards ex-DP Rigathi wa Gachagua. Bote akiuma wa mbere kumiriria Gachagua kimwira ona akihitukagira macio mothe moyo ni wa Ngai, no yu akorwo akiuga this is too much. This country belongs to all of us. All Kenyans should enjoy freedom of movement, association and free speech. Akiuga kinyagia pole pole ni marona uyu ndu ni urathie na mbere kuiyo kuri a Kenya. Ndumiriri iria ex-DP Rigathi wa Gachagua agikorwo akirekereria yatiga andu makiyuria kai riu kuhanite atia bururi uyu. Ndigũcitenderithia makiria, make sure ni ura turn on your notification na uga subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakorwo uri wa mbere kwamukira ndeto. Njitagwo Kikuyu Community News.